Hi, I'm Francesca from Frankly Beautiful. I'm a makeup artist with over 19 years experience and I specialise in wedding makeup, and today I'm going to give you a few tips on making your lipstick last a bit longer on the day. So we all know it's going to be a lot of kissing on the big day and we want a lipstick to stay, so if you do book me, I do give my brides a little pot of their chosen lipstick to take with them in case you can't get hold of the one that we do use, but I do also always recommend to purchase the lipstick to keep with you, but also it's nice something to have, that you've got the lipstick you wore on your wedding day. You can bring it out, wear it on other special occasions, wear it on your first anniversary and every anniversary, so it's just a nice little touch. Anyway, so I'm going to show you with the lipstick that I normally wear. You don't have to wear this lipstick, so I always wear red lipstick. Anyone that knows me knows that at the moment I look a bit strange. So you want a lipstick pencil that's going to match your lipstick, or a nude that's going to kind of hide underneath your lipstick. And what you want to do is you want to completely colour in your lips with your pencil. So I'm going to start. Now if you left it there and then put your lipstick on, that's fine, you'll get a lovely line and neat lips, but when your lipstick starts to wear off, you'll get left with just the line of the lip liner, and you don't want that. It's not good luck. So completely colour in. So what that does, that acts as a base for your lipstick. So you're going to put your lipstick over the top. When your lipstick does start to wear off, and any lipstick will, any lipstick, doesn't matter how long lasting it is, it will wear off after you're eating and drinking. It will wear off, but you won't get left with just the ring around. It will all wear off quite neatly. So I'm going to use my favourite lipstick, which is Maybelline. Really, really long lasting, this one. And it's their matte collection. This is Siren and Scarlet. Then what you want to do is get a tissue and blot, reapply, and blot again. And there you go, your lipstick will last a very long time. Matte lipsticks do last longer than gloss, but if you wanted a little bit of shine, just get a glass of clear. I've got a red gloss, you can get a clear gloss if you want. Just pop it in the middle. You've got a bit of shine, but it also makes your lips look a bit fuller as well. Any gloss, any moisturising will make your lipstick come off faster, but you've already done the base work, so it will still last quite a while. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the wedding fair and have a great weekend.